YouTube, what it is? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the spot. It is your host, S Dub, and it is time for another one. So today, renovating the house like always, throwing a new toilet in. The toilet we have, the front of the the flush sweep, the basically the holes, like 20% to 40% of the holes that do the flushing are clogged. They just won't work. I've acided them, I've bored them out, I've stuck wire brushes. They just done. So we buying a new toilet. And this video is just how to swap a toilet out. So let's get it. All right, please excuse the mess. But first step, you want to kill your water supply. Turn that off. All right, that's off. See that it's perpendicular to the line instead of parallel. And plumbing, that tends to mean off. All right, I put some blue soap right here just to show you what I mean, and to drain the bowl or the tank. And you can see how it's only flushing from that end. This part just don't flush. Okay, toilet's empty. All I did was just held it. You can go more advanced and go in there with a bowl, well, a ladle and all of that nonsense, but this is good enough. All right, guys, so while I'm trying to remove this, it's so rusty, I couldn't get it. So, had to cut it off. About to cut the next one off. Alright, now we're going to remove our fuel plug, and I didn't completely drain the toilet, so there will be water in the fucking P-trap. There we go. Hopefully I could just muscle up and I don't have to cut the caulk. All right. Come on, baby. And there it is. Whew. All right, that's actually not piss, guys. That's tea right here. I was filling it up because I didn't swap out the wax ring. The proper way to install a wax ring on the toilet, technically you're supposed to install it to the toilet. That way you know you lined up on the bowl, and then you go to the hole of the ground. What I did is the opposite, line the toilet up to the hole or the ring that's on the floor, and I've just been filling it up with water to make sure it doesn't leak. And I just happen to have a bottle of tea that was trash, so I figured I'd just dump it in there.
Well, that'll walk. That's clear.
And that's definitely flushing. No leaks. Yep, no leaks around. All right. So what I got done is I just installed it. I haven't tightened it down or anything. I'm gonna do that. Okay, when you line up your bowl, it's pretty simple. Put your wax ring on. There's 3 holes, 2 small like this in the back and 1 big center one. You just line them up. After you line them up, you got your inside bolts right here. I've already tightened the right side, and you come from the bottom up under here. You can see the gap right there, that green thing right there, that's the wax ring. But you come up under, way up under here. And yeah, so there's your wax ring. And you can see the hole right there goes down and up and under, right here. And you tighten that down till that gets flush. I've already done the right side. All right, now after you get it secured, you want to install your inlet. Turn that on. Just a little bit's what I did, just enough. There you go. Just enough to cover the 2 bolt holes to see if we have any leaks. We don't. Now we're gonna turn it all the way on. We're gonna do our first flush. Okay. And I remember the other one didn't do a 360 flush, so what we're gonna do, and this is just to see, there we go. All right, let's flush her. That's definitely a 360 flush. And it didn't use any water, guys. I mean, man. I'm gonna flush it again and show you. Yeah, this toilet's legit. Alright, we're gonna come on. Yeah, that is nice. Okay, last part is the seat install. Pretty easy. Those 2 holes that you had in the back, bam, bam, and then you come from up under, right there, tighten these down, screw them in, you're good to go. Alright, and that's that. Let's see, do a slam. Oh yes! That's legit right there. I love it because I hate to slam. Yeah, that right there, guys, that is it. Put it up, put it down. Oh yeah, that thing flushes hard. Yeah. This was what, $230? They claim that it could take a whole bucket of golf balls. So I'm about to go to the store and buy a bucket of golf balls and we're gonna flush it down the toilet because I call bullshit, guys. But anyways, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.